Hey, good evening, guys. How's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Let's go over, you guys want to do like a coin roundup for the week here, looking into the weekend, what we can possibly suspect, I guess is the correct word for that. Let's dive in, guys. We're currently 84 for 84 wins on this channel. We ended up taking our 84th win over here on actually Ethereum, 3.77%. It was a quick win, but we ended up calling that exit out, and we ended up getting out literally at the top here before we crashed back down. You can see that actually in this post that I did for you guys in the Telegram channel. So we exited 50% and then moved our stop loss of 50%, so we didn't lose any more money on that. If you guys want to trade with me, I'll teach you guys exactly how to do this in the second half of the video, and also I'll tell you guys about our Black Friday sale here in just a moment, but I want to get into the analysis a little bit first so I can give you guys what you came here for. All right, I want to dive into Bitcoin first, and then we'll go through these coins really fast here. I don't have a lot of analysis, but I do want to talk to you guys about this. We're going to make this simple. We got into the buy limit here on November 15th for $60,500, and we are currently just sitting, in the loss here about 10.58. Not a problem whatsoever. This is not something I'm worried about at all. We still have 3 buy limits to be hit. I don't believe we're going to get anywhere close to losing this trade. The greatest structure of support that I can see on the chart here for us, if we come out here, we draw basically a horizontal ray. It is right around this level here, and it's pretty close to about 52,781. Let's just round this at 53,000, okay? At this level, I am expecting to see a bounce. Now, this is not only because we have a structure support here, but what we're seeing is the trend exhaustion is also pushing down to the bottom section here, where historically we are seeing bounces back up in the market, and the well money flow is on a downtrend move here. And as this moves down lower, I am expecting to see pumps back up, just as we saw over here, correlated to this move back up in Bitcoin. We also saw this happen a little bit over here, where we couldn't go down any further. We actually had to take a little pit stop before we moved back up. And then over here in the bottom red sections, these are the indicators that are on Black Friday sale that you guys definitely want to snag: the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. When these push up into the top sections here, both pushing up into the top sections, this is honestly how we're able to call drops in the market back down, and this is how we were able to predict this drop that actually happened perfectly up here when we pushed in the top red section of the trend exhaustion here, as well as when the well money flow was high. This was a perfect sign we were going to head back down, which is why I ended up calling the exit on Ethereum, and which is why we won our 84th for 84th trade. So I'm not just coming out here and showing you guys the crazy accuracy of these, like we're literally trading with live money over here. Not small little accounts. I know some of the guys I coach have millions of dollars, but the personal account that I'm trading, guys, is doing amazing. Only down $395 while the whole market crashes. That's good risk management right there. So make sure you guys do snag these indicators. These are 83% off right now. If you guys go over here to the indicators tab, you guys get them for Black Friday right here. You guys can click this. Coupon code is Black Friday. Capitalize it, lowercase it, whatever you want. All right, I'm going to go over more analysis here. Let's go through Ethereum. I want you guys to look at this. The strongest area where I do believe we are going to bounce is going to be on this third touch of the ascending support line. This is going to basically be like a nutshell of all the coins that we're covering. We have a 1, 2, and a 3 bounce that I'm looking for as far as a move down and a move back up. It's just a completion of the channel. It's actually very standard technical analysis. As the trend exhaustion is pushing down here, we are definitely going to be looking for pumps back up over the weekend. The well money flow is moving down. We're also seeing the trend exhaustion move down to the bottom section. We have a great structure support here. I wouldn't doubt if we head down and actually start seeing another nice little bull move right around this area. So for Ethereum, I'm looking for right around 3,700 to 3,800 for a move back down, and then a nice move back up. Absolutely fine in this trade. This is going to be a winner. I'm like very confident about that, okay? And again, watch the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow over the weekend. Looking at Dogecoin, I'm so excited that we ended up crashing here because we ended up hitting our second buy limit today on the 26th. That ended up breaking moving our break-even entry down to 0.24, which ended up saving us, guys, insane amount of money. From the entry, we were down about 30%. This coming in here, just because we're dollar cost averaging, has saved us about an extra 12% in the market by doing nothing but letting our buy limits get hit. So powerful. For Dogecoin, again, I'm watching for Dogecoin push to the bottom right section here, and then I'm looking for a pump back up. So this weekend actually could be a rebound weekend. Take a look at ADA real quick here. Obviously we're pushing down really far in ADA and we hit our third buy limit. This is at a very strong structure support right now. So if we look at this, this is the strongest support we have, which is putting us right about $1.50. Now, $1.50 is also what's called a quarters theory level, where I do believe we're going to bounce off of 150 and see a lot of demand. So I am expecting to see a move up in ADA over this weekend. If it moves down further, I don't think we're going to go too much further, and we will start seeing moves back up, decreasing the loss that we're currently in. And I do believe this is going to still be a really good winner. VET real quick, taking a look at this, we have not hit our third buy limit yet, but I'm just watching this. This has a definite possibility. Again, look at this trend exhaustion at the bottom, well, money flow getting down there as well, looking for this pump back up. If it does move down, I don't believe VET will head any lower than 10 cents. That's going to give us a bounce off of this basically ascending support line with a 1, 2, 3 bounce, and this is usually a very bullish sign that the market's going to move back up in VET and we'll start pushing back up to our entry again. Very good trades to be in, guys. Matic is amazing. You guys like literally will probably take some profits over the weekend on Matic, so watch out for that. This is most likely going to be our 85th. We've blown past 40 trades. We are up to 84 for 84 wins, so that'll probably be our 85th for 85th win. XRP in here is still looking great. Seeing again, guys, look at all of this is pointing to a move up over the weekend. You know, a lot of times you see selling pressure over the weekend. I do think this is one weekend where we could actually see a move back up. Again, looking at Solana, an amazing entry you guys are in over here, just sequentially following the orders. Once this trade's done, we take the next trade. This hasn't even hit our second buy limit. Solana is an amazing trade. I have no doubts we'll win that trade. Linked. Definitely not LinkedIn, that's for sure. This looking over here, guys, the strongest structure of support is right around this level. I will be going over the Bitcoin metrics here in a second, so I just want to go through this for you guys. It would actually be very favorable if Link does move down here, Chainlink, and actually hits our third buy limit about 2085. Again, trend exhaustion at the bottom here, looking for this move back up. DOT real quick. I am in DOT in this trade here. You know what? Yeah, I'm fine with this. I would actually like it to see the market move down further to hit our third buy limit. That's going to push our break-even entry probably right around to this area. We'll get into the profit even faster. I do believe we're going to start seeing moves back up here, guys. So it's really the best time to start buying. EOS got in here at the buy limit 1, buy limit 2. We haven't had our third or fourth buy limit get hit. If they get hit, this market's going to have to drop a lot because we are already at ridiculous lows for EOS. So if this actually ends up dropping to our fourth buy limit, I literally will just immediately inject $10,000 more to buy at the low here because I think EOS is an incredible coin. All right, let's do this for you guys. Actually, you guys want to go over profits real quick? I'll literally spend less than 30 seconds on this so you guys can see this. One of our traders here is just keeping track, and he's using the indicators. He made about $700 in September, about $1,700 in October, and about $2,650 in November. This guy did $20,000 just with our trend exhaustion and price versus money flow indicators themselves, and these are the ones you guys want to get for Black Friday. The Black Friday sale goes until the end of this month, so you guys only have 4 days left for that. This guy made $7,000, and he's been doing really well, you know, thanks to the indicators. $61,000 tonight. That's not unnormal. We had another guy do $60,000 with our indicators as well. You know, guys in here, you know, $700 on BNB. Don't have to use our indicators just on our cryptos. You can use them on anything. I'll leave you guys with this one. It's kind of fun. This guy's up on ADA in his account about $20,000 from when he signed up with Trade Confidence, emphasis on confidence. So that was really cool. All right, let's go over. You guys can have fun with that, looking that over the weekend. But I want to go over the metrics here, and then we'll end this video. Bitcoin metrics here. We are sitting in this neutral section here, and I want us to watch what's going to happen on Bitcoin over the next few days. Moving down here, we are seeing that long trades are increasing. So a lot of people are buying the demand of a lower Bitcoin price. But at the same time, we have competition from short trades in the market who also want to be getting a piece of this, and they think the market's going to go down further. So we've got a little bit of what's called a tug of war right now with long and short trades. The next greatest structure support that we can find on here is at $53,000 for Bitcoin. So I wouldn't doubt if we do over the weekend head down to this, but we will see a bump around that area. That also correlates to a trend exhaustion move down and then a pump back up. Get these two indicators at minimum, guys, with the trend dashboard. That's what's going to be able to help you guys predict the moves up and down. Competition here. Watch this over the weekend. If short trades drop out, long trades increase, that's going to show us that short trades are not confident that we are going to head down further. That shows more favor to the bulls of a move back up in the month of December, okay? Long versus short trade risk. Where's the risk lying here? The risk is definitely lying on the short trades because long trades are what's in favor here. Last time we've pushed down into this good long trade and great long trade section, what did we see? We saw the entire market reverse back into a bull market cycle. We also saw it back over here. So that's something I'm watching for, is a very nice higher low formation on Bitcoin here to possibly see another move back up, because this is another line that I'm looking at. Let's take this out and let's actually look at this one over here, which may actually be the more accurate one to be looking at, is this guy right here. and then we're going to pull this over for this touch, also putting us very close to around this $53,000 level of this broadening wedge here, where we could be coming in here and then moving back up and creating some higher highs and higher lows, pushing us into actually a really nice December, getting us into somewhat of a bull market. So definitely watch that. Institutional smart money, they are acquiring the long trades, guys. Exactly what we're doing. I'm telling you, it is not time to be selling this market right now. It is not. It is absolutely the time to be buying. That's what we're doing, and I'm not going to change the sentiment on that. We pushed down here below structure support, so this is why I'm coming out here and showing this to you guys. I really do believe 53,000 is the greatest place where we're going to see a bounce back up. Not only does it correlate to this, where I'm going to call it a 3-touch, a 1, 2, 3 touch on here. I know there's multiple touches here, but really there's only about one touch here. So 1, 2, 3, looking for this move back up. As far as a target of where we could be heading, I do think if we head down here, it's absolutely possible to head up here to about 68,000 before the end of the year. I don't think that's out of reason, like at all. I don't think so, because even when we saw this, the same thing happened over here, where we saw this flash crash in the market, we headed down here, we actually passed the previous structure high. Here's the flash crash right here, guys. We came down, we passed the previous structure high. Like, this can absolutely go up further. That's why I've been saying I wouldn't doubt if we get a bull market run before the end of the year and actually giving us all incredible profit. What you need to do right now is get your buy limit set up so you don't miss the next trades, and I'm going to show that to you guys how to do that here in 1 second. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys want to put in $1,000 at every green line, hold for 10 to 20 years, you guys can do that. Exit points, calling this great exit in here. We're currently in a golden cross. Let's get you guys into these trades so you do not miss another trade. You guys like that? Let's come over here. You guys are only paying $49 a month. I am going to be upping the price of this. I checked with our admin and they did confirm with me the third time, because I wanted to make sure. I'm like, I better be quoting this correctly. So they were able to confirm to me, everybody who actually signs up for $49 a month, you guys will stay at $49 for the rest of your life, as long as you want. As long as you hold the membership, you will stay at $49. If you unsubscribe, you're just going to need to pay the new price, which is probably going to be somewhere around $100, okay? I'm upping this because we are exploding as a company, because you guys are actually seeing that I think we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for crypto wins, and people are actually trading for a living over here, and they're making like some serious cash, like $20,000 and $60,000 and $7,000 over here. They're using a little bit of larger accounts, but this is like getting serious of what people are doing to transform their lives, and it's been really fun. So make sure you guys get that membership. That's going to unlock the entire website. And so I want to end this video with, I'm sorry, I already said I was going to end it. I forgot I wanted to show this to you guys. All of our 84 wins, every single one that I've ever called, we've called that on this channel right here. So follow me and you guys can set your trades up literally right now. These are the current buy limits as of today for 11/26 for Bitcoin. Here's what you guys are going to do. They're going to update every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Here's what you're going to do, and you're going to follow this with me. To enter this trade or any of our coins, simply take the amount of cash you would like to allocate to this trade, let's say it's $1,000, and split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $225. If you guys have 4,000, how much are you going to put at each buy limit? 25%, $1,000. This cannot get any simpler, okay? So 25% here, 25% here, 25%, and 25% there. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set your sell limit at the top up here. I am still putting this higher here because we could see that pump and break the previous structure high, as I've been talking about. So I'm having it a little bit higher. That's all you guys have to do. Set your buy limits and then follow me over in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and keeping you guys in the profit, where we have never lost a trade trading crypto, okay? We've taken some small wins, about 4 or 5%. We've also taken wins of like 32% on Bitcoin. We've taken 24% on DOT, 28% I think was on, I'm sorry, I don't want to quote wrong. It was on another coin we had. I did 82% on ADA, which I've shown you guys many times on the channel if you guys follow me for a while. Point being, you guys want to get into the Telegram channel. So sign up on Telegram personally on your phone or your computer first, and then click this, and it will give you guys a hot link so you can join me in the Telegram channel with everyone else that's over here, okay? Once you do that, this is where I'm using the indicators, the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow, which are on Black Friday sale right now, that you want to get to call exits for yourself. You guys saw people over here making $20,000 alone with just the indicators. This is what people are using, 20K in crypto and stocks, using the trend exhaustion price for swell money flow. You don't have to use these just on crypto, guys. Use them on Forex, use them on stocks. I just got a guy who's going to be using it on US 30 for Forex. I'm like, yeah, man, do that. You're going to do very well because these are very good indicators. So this is the Black Friday sale. I know I mentioned already. I'll just do this one more time here. You guys want to get these 3 indicators on your charts. It doesn't matter if you're doing crypto, stocks, or Forex. Get the price versus money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. I use it on every single one of these videos. I am not taking them off my charts going into next year. They are too good to take them off. I've literally had some of the founders of tradingview.com reach out to me and tried to buy them off of me. And I said, hey, sorry guys, I'm going to keep them for my members, but like I really appreciate that. I'm flattered by that. So you guys are literally getting some of the best indicators you will ever get to trade the markets here. And this package is going up $50 at the end of the month from the discounted price. If you want to buy them on their own, that's fine. It's 58 to 60% off, but get this because it's 83% off here. And all you guys have to do is enter the coupon code Black Friday at checkout. Capitalize the B, capitalize the F, doesn't matter. Lowercase everything, capitalize everything, go bonkers, does not matter. Just make sure you guys are putting the coupon code Black Friday and you'll get 83% off. So that's a full update. I do not doubt if Bitcoin over the weekend is going to hit 53,000, but if it does, watch for that bounce up at 53,000 correlated to this ascending support line, as well as the other things that we talked about on this channel. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of the Black Friday sale because I'm not going to stop using these indicators. Get them now so they can help you guys make money because they are going to be going up in price. So get the indicators, get the membership before that goes up in price as well, giving you guys plenty of warning on that. And then also make sure you guys are joining me in the Telegram channel. And maybe most importantly, guys, set up your buy limits. Like get into some trades with us and literally set this up so over the weekend you guys can have your buy limits hit. You can get in here. Like, by the way, guys, I'm not going to show this to you guys. It's member only content. I have my Ethereum trade set up right now based off the buy limits. You see right here, I'm entering in with about I think it's close to about $7,000 of my portfolio is getting ready to be triggered into Ethereum with you guys. Like I'm trading with you. So personally, I really think Ethereum is a really good buy. And you guys want to watch this and make sure you're getting in. That is all done with the membership. Literally this $49 a month unlocks the entire website so you can access everything. So God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing weekend. I'll be back here on Monday. If you guys have any questions, email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. We're going to come back and answer all your questions on Monday. The weekend we take off to be with our families and we just rest over the weekend, and I really encourage you guys do that. When you get the indicators, you guys get a video along with that on YouTube where it shows you guys exactly how to set them up. So you guys don't even need us for setting anything up. Even the buy limits are like, they're all going to update over the weekend anyways. Like I literally come in here, I still work on the weekends because I come in here and I update all the buy limits for you. So there is someone working here. We just don't do email support over the weekends because if you don't take a break from work, guys, we're all going to get burned out and we're going to have to shut the business down. So I'm never going to do that. I'm going to be smart here and I'm going to encourage you guys as well. Take weekends off and rest and be with your family, okay? I'll be back on Monday to answer all your questions, but make sure you guys are getting the indicators set up. The tutorial video it comes in the download as well. It is so stinking simple, guys. Like anybody can do this, I promise. By the way, one more thing. If you guys are sticking around this long, the trend exhaustion, you guys are loading these on sometimes with white backgrounds. If you load the trend exhaustion and you guys don't see this white line showing up, it's just because your background's not white. So you guys can actually come in here if you want and change the style of this and just make it black. And then it'll show up on a white background. I just keep it white because I'm using a dark background. That's literally all you have to do. And you guys will have the trend exhaustion change perfectly for you. Or if you guys want, come over here and actually just change this to dark mode right here, and it'll work for you as well. So guys, super simple. Just want to leave with that. All right, guys, God bless you. Everything you need is in the description. Get the Black Friday sale for our indicators because you only have 4 days left on that. After today, you have 3 days left. And I will see you guys on the next videos. Membership and buy limits, set those up. Make sure you guys are setting those up, and we're going to try to go for 85 wins by the end of this month. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.